So yeah, start from the beginning, whatever,
Okay.
very beginning of your
Yeah.
journey and everything.
So, 2018, mid 2018, I decided I did a little research on S&P. I decided it would be a good idea because and I have some here on the sides here, have some on the top, but I just need to thicken it all out and make it look, make it look all nice. And I should have done a little bit more research in the beginning. The practitioner I decided to go with didn't have all the greatest reviews. He was very convincing when I spoke with him on the phone. He would assure me that he was going to clean everything up and make it look all good. Unfortunately, he left a lot of dark spots on my head um, and really sharp edges on the side, which made it look really unnatural. I wasn't happy with it. I tried reaching out to him a few times, and he unfortunately just wouldn't get back to me. So I had that procedure done. Again, that was mid or late 2018. So I had that all the way up until early 2020. And this is when I came here to Dermy Match, and they went ahead and took a lot of the dark ink off, and then they went ahead and blended what the ink was left in there, and it looks really good right now. I've had a lot of people compliment on me. Most people don't even know that there's been any work done. It looks really good, and I'm really happy with the procedure.
So as far as getting it, you say other people had tried to remove it, or you had other experts look at it.
Yeah, so I've had other people before I came to Dermy Match. I've had other people look at it, these so-called experts, and they've tried to work with it and see if they could kind of some sort of fix it. But I went to two other SMP artists, and they were unable to do so. They actually just made it worse. They darkened it, and it actually just made it worse. And the only person who was able to fix it. So right now, I'm really happy with the with what I see. It looks really good. Again, nobody even notices that I've had the procedure done. You can't even really tell. So it looks really good.
Cool.